I would say yes. I always envisioned myself as being a leader in some role and in some fashion. I think what I had to learn just through the various positions that I held early on in my career is what that entailed and what was required in order to get there. And I think the number one thing that I realized early on is that I needed to be part of the solution. And I needed to bring solutions to challenges that I was facing as a staff therapist to my supervisors. And so then I become part of the solution and of fixing things rather than part of the challenge. Well, as in any leadership position, there are lots of challenges and opportunities. There are so many things that need to be done as a leader of a PT practice. We need to first and foremost treat patients. We need to train staff. We need to build relationships with physicians. We need to manage our accounts. We need to manage the amount of money that is or may not be coming into the clinic. So I think a very, very important skill set for a leader in a physical therapy practice is to be able to wear multiple hats and to wear them simultaneously. It's very rarely realistic to remove one hat and then put another hat on. We really need to be focusing on all those hats at the same time, and that is not for everyone, but that is a critical skill set. The other thing I would say is that probably a very close second to that would be the need to constantly evolve the way we do things. The healthcare sector is changing literally daily. So what worked for us yesterday may not work today. So we need to embrace change. We need to be excited about the concept of change and to not be afraid of it, and to realize that change is really something that serves as a catalyst for our best ideas moving forward. Well, first and foremost, we ask them to be prepared in the interview process to answer clinical questions. And that should be part of any interview process. After all, that's what their training is designed, to help them to really become an expert at patient care. So we do ask those questions, and we ask them to be prepared. But the other thing that we're looking for is we are looking for individuals who have a solid understanding of what it means to be a professional. And we're looking for individuals who are interested in affecting change and in being part of the solution. So we always try to remind folks that they should be thinking about any sort of challenge from a solution-based standpoint.